Hey there, crypto market fam, we've got some juicy updates that you won't want to miss. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the latest in the world of cryptocurrency. First, attorney John Deaton has joined other investors in alleging that the SEC's lawsuit against Binance and Coinbase was an effort to allow Wall Street firms to catch up with crypto. This past year has been a massive inside job between Wall Street parasites and government regulators to allow these financial institutions to catch up. Second, prominent Bitcoin advocate Max Keiser responded to a tweet by pro-Ripple lawyer John Deaton about Bitcoin and the SEC adding something about XRP. Keiser believes that Bitcoin is the only cryptocurrency that is out of reach of regulators, and that XRP is under long-term attack by the SEC because it is too centralized to survive in the conflicted environment where the SEC lives. And finally, ex-Ripple advisor Michael S. Barr, who serves as Federal Reserve Vice Chair for Supervision, met with European Central Bank President Christine Lagarde in Frankfurt on Wednesday. This meeting has resulted in some buzz within the XRP community, as Lagarde has been critical of Bitcoin and other private cryptocurrencies, but has simultaneously advocated for central bank digital currencies. We hope you found this video both informative and engaging. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in crypto news and updates.